welcome to English to Experience. I'm etetutor and this is the Examiner's Tales. So I'm talking about real life experiences based on my time examining. So today we're talking about something very practical. Pens. Now you might be thinking, oh goodness, what's she going on about now? But this is a really helpful, useful tip. One of the challenges with these exams is timing, and I really believe that the type of pen you use has an impact on this. Now, I'm not suggesting if you're watching this the morning or the day before your exam that you change completely, but if you've got time to experiment with the type of pen you use, it's worth it. So why I'm saying this is handwriting is, different for everybody. We've got quite a few examples here, real life examples, and examiners will read it whatever it looks like, so don't worry if you've got really messy handwriting. I mean, from my point of view, it's headache inducing when you've read a lot, but we have to do it. We have to read it. The software that we use has lots of different tools, so we can zoom in, we can clarify, we can change the density of the colouring and so on to help us. But I'm more talking about this for you, and the reason I'm doing it is I'm talking about speed. So I would definitely recommend, if you've got messy handwriting, to try using one of these Beryl handwriting pens. Now, unfortunately, because this is quite an old one, you can see it's all scratched off the side, but these are available very cheaply. If you've got a school stationery shop, they might have them. If not, Wilko's, I think I got these for a couple of quid, pack of 2, and they just glide. And because they glide, it's quick. And that's what you need. You want to be speedy. Alternatively, these are my favourite pens, which I have mentioned in previous videos. And I ought to give a shout out to the little shop that I always buy them from, so I'll pop that down in the description box below. These, again, it's fast because it glides across the page, and that will help you speed up. The other thing you'll notice, and I mean, look, my handwriting's not perfect, but it's definitely readable. The other thing you'll notice is with my writing, it is joined up. Now, if you don't do joined up handwriting and you are in year 11, I'm not suggesting that that's something that you start trying now, but if you are in year 10, you have got time. Joined up handwriting is designed for speed because we can glide through the letters rather than pausing and writing each letter individually. So yes, I'd suggest good pen, not some scratchy old crap pen that you can't use properly. We want something that's going to last you through your exam, and something preferably, I believe, that glides, so something that's better than a biro. Avoid using any coloured pens. It will say that on the front cover of your exam paper. These can't be scanned in the same way, so it causes further problems. It could even cause a delay to your work being marked. So the rubric, the instructions on your exam papers are there for a reason. Alright then, I hope that helps. If you can write fast, hopefully you'll be able to stick to those timings that, fingers crossed, you know off by heart. Alright then, best of luck, looking forward to some neat handwriting.